Hey guys, so today we're going to be tackling our laundry room. So this is what it looked like when we purchased our home, just standard builder's grade. So now we're going to put some cabinets in here and make it a little bit more our style. Hey y'all, so before we get started in the laundry room, I wanted to show you all what we're going to do. You all have seen my shiplap wall that we did here in the living room and the dining room area. And I'm going to do the same thing in the dining room, except this time we are not going to use the same method. So before we went and got plywood and cut it down and nailed it to the wall and all of that, but I don't feel like doing that today. I really want this project to be able to be done in a day and just make it really simple. So if you guys want to do this at home, you can do it too. So I went and I picked up, these are painter's markers. And what we're gonna do is just paint some lines on the wall and make it look like shiplap or mimic shiplap instead of doing it the more time consuming way. All right, so to make the job more simple and to make sure that I am making straight lines, we have this laser level set up, which is going to draw the lines on the wall for us. And then I'll just be able to go around with my pen and draw. And then we'll have us a shiplap wall. So it actually wasn't as easy as I thought. Even with the laser lines being on the wall, when I tried to trace them, my hand was shaking. So what I had to do, or what I tried to do, was go in and put tape on the wall. That way I could kind of have a guide and just draw right along the tape. This actually was a little bit more time consuming than I thought, but if you guys just have a level, which is what I discovered a little bit later, if you have a level, just put it on the wall, make sure that the line is straight, and then just use your level to draw, and it was much more simple. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like now that I have the lines drawn out in pencil. Now you'll notice here and here and some of the sides I don't have any lines because of course the cabinets are going to be there. But now that I have it all drawn out in pencil, now I'm going back with my paint pen and I am going to darken the lines up. So we found these set of cabinets on Facebook Marketplace. If you guys are looking for household items, always check Facebook Marketplace. Someone is always selling something for half, sometimes even 75% off the regular price. So we got these cabinets off Facebook Marketplace. We got both of them for $100 total. If you go into any hardware store or home store, you will find these cabinets for about $150 each. So caught a good deal. Of course, I went ahead and painted them. And then lastly, I decided to add some shelving in between and to just bring the look together. is it. This is my laundry room for now. I do plan on putting a cart here in between just to kind of fill in that space there between the washer and dryer. But this is it. It is so much better than those builders grade shelving that they put up. Now I am able to store all of my things neatly, which I love. It's not all out in the open. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more DIYs and room transformations. And I will see you guys on the next one.